In this video, I will tell you 3 methods by which you can fix selfie camera not opening issue in any iPhone device. And the third method will definitely work for you. First of all, check for any software updates. Just navigate to your settings application, scroll down and tap on general, and right here you can see software update. Just tap on that and see if there is any software update available. In my case, there is a software update available. Make sure to update the software, so if the issue is from the software side, the Apple will definitely fix it in the next software update. However, if the issue still remains, then let's see the method number 2. If the camera of any specific application is not working, for example you can say Instagram's camera is not working, then let's see how we can fix that. Just navigate to your settings application and scroll down to the bottom, and right here you can see apps. Just tap on that and select the application of which camera is not working. In my case, let's select Instagram. Just tap on that and make sure the camera toggle is enabled. However, if the issue still remains, then make sure to force restart your device, and this will definitely fix the issue if the issue is from the software side. To force restart, just press the volume up button, then volume down button, then hold the power button until you see Apple logo. Volume up button, volume down button, then hold the power button until you see Apple logo. Keep holding for a few moments. Keep holding, and right here I can see the Apple logo. Then release the power button and your device will be force restarted, and this will definitely fix your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue. Then make sure to visit any nearest service center to fix this. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.